Hey everyone's going on to Girl I'm out. Welcome to another video. So this is going to be my husband styles my hair. As you can see, my hair is out and ready to go. Odine's gonna be styling it. Hopefully I look decent when he's done. He's never done my hair before. He's like plaited. You plaited my hair to go to my bed, but that's going to my bed. So I'm gonna show you quickly the products he'll be using. I gave him the option of using edge control. He has gel. He has oil. He has a big teeth comb. He has a brush. There are some scrunchies. There are some bobby pins.
A scrunchie name sushi or scunji or
and another big teeth comb. So those are the tools he has.
Yes. You call it scrunchie?
That's what I called it.
Sushi them isn't it?
Alright, so he's gonna go ahead and style my hair.
Alright. So I have my green towel, you know what I'm saying? To prevent the dead hair, the dead follicles up here from, you know, messing up her clothes. I'm not sure exactly what route I want to go, but you know, just gonna let the Lord lead me. Alright, baby. Let me get her a nice part. Jesus Christ, baby. It hurts?
Just take your time.
So that I'm not sure which route me I go go. But I don't know what I gonna do. Alright, I got this. Chill. I have an idea in mind. But I tell you if you teach me off a corner, but you know.
I tried teaching you, Odin, but I need someone else's head to teach you. I can't teach you.
What we gonna do tonight, children here? Oh God have mercy upon my soul. Does it take this long for Parker here?
It can. I don't know what you're doing though, so.
I'm trying to give it the Italian part.
The Italian part? What's the Italian part?
You wouldn't understand. Alright. Oh, dang. Jesus, please. It now gets straight, yeah.
Use a smaller teeth comb.
Alright. So you know from the catch up that side here with the sushi, things are get real. So what I'm actually doing, guys, I'm actually moving. Chill. I'm actually moving this section of the hair out of the way so I can zoom in and work on this section. What I'm thinking to do over here is to give it a series of big Romanian twists. Alright? A lot of you probably don't know what Romanian twists are, which means that you guys are not professionals. So you need to go and Google that. You ready, Shen? And I'm doing it at a 30-degree angle, as you can see. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna be doing a wrong-sided rope twist. That's how you go?
I legit don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're talking about. Russian twist, wrong side. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Baby, you can tilt the head this way, please.
Remember, my hair is supposed to be able to go on the road.
What that's supposed to mean? So I don't understand. Why you tell me that? Jesus.
Ow.
Oh, sorry. Hold up. Can you open the gel for me? Thank you. Oh, the hair slippery and it can't turn. Oh God, have mercy. Should I think about this first? Alrighty. Chill. Nobody with the negativity. You know? Same again, a 30-degree angle. What's wrong with what I do? Yeah, chill. I bet you like it.
Yeah.
If you ask me to do it for you again, I'm never gonna do it.
Okay.
Your attitude wrong. Can you tilt your hair this way? Similar now. Put in the gel first.
Ow! Take your time. You have scrunchies for a reason.
Oh. Yeah. I didn't remember that I had scrunchies. I'm sorry.
So guys, at this point, I'm just gonna fast forward the video so you guys can see the end results. Be right back.
I think everything is going according to plan so far. So what I'm planning to do now is I want to have like what do you call it, like a bang, right, at the front of her hair. So I'm gonna do, let's say, 3 rope twists. I'm gonna let them fall over her eyes, and then I'm gonna be tying up the back with something else. Now typically a hairstyle like this can run you anywhere from 2 to 300. Anywhere from, don't pay any attention. So anywhere from, let's say, $200 to $300. But being that I know her parents, she happens to be my wife, I'll probably just charge her maybe 100, 120 thereabout. So she's getting a huge discount. You know what I'm saying? All right. So sit tight. I'm almost done. Where you laugh? People charge that amount for style your hair, yo.
Not what you're doing, Odin.
So I don't understand.
Not what.
Hold up, y'all tell me say you didn't pay $200 to $300 for somebody's style. Answer a question. To get your hair styled.
Not like this.
No. I'm not asking you that.
In
I'm
general,
saying to get your hair
it
styled.
depends.
Yes
No.
or no?
No.
Why?
Cause I can do hair myself. I wouldn't. Maybe $100, but not no $300. For what?
For something like this, especially.
No.
I have Italian twist and them thing down there.
There's no such thing as Italian twist.
Because you don't know about it.
Okay.
You haven't been doing this for as long as
you've been doing it. Which
some
is
people
what?
have been doing this.
10 minutes.
This kid. Alright. At least I want to sell it now, you know. Now, you see, because these twists will be at the front, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little oil to her scalp right out here. Not a lot.
Yeah,
right?
not a lot.
But just a little. A little something. So at this point in time, I'm like 80% done. You know what I'm saying? You can see it's a complete difference from how she looked initially. Just follow me and turn your head now.
Okay, well, be careful.
What I'm probably going to do now, I'm probably going to give her a bun. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to catch it up in one like this. Or I think I can put this in 2. And then I'm going to finish up. You ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
You like it so far? Shanika?
Yes?
You like it so far?
No.
No, I appreciate it.
I was gonna lie and say yes, but
It's not bad though. Anytime you want me to do this again,
yeah.
style your hair. Cause you start back school next week, eh?
Yeah, I'm not gonna school like this again.
Why not?
Might as well tie up my head.
Huh?
Might as well I tie up my head, bro.
You're not encouragement.
I'm sorry, your style is not encouraging.
Look on him quality part here. Look there. This hurts?
No. Oh, what are you doing?
Just be quiet, man.
And you're breathing so heavy. I'm not understand. Why are you breathing so hard?
Just relax. Just relax. That's all you need to do.
You're actually doing it tight.
I know. It has to be. It's just...
What the heck are you doing, bro?
This is called, like, you start off with a big twist and you finish with a plait. It's how you make, it's like it's a way of locking the hair. You tell you're not gonna understand what I do.
Yeah. I just feel like you're muscling up all your strength and I'm wondering like why.
Cause.
So what are you gonna do with that now?
Just be quiet. I know exactly what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna use my edge control to control our edges.
Okay, whoa, way too much.
I said stiff?
Yes, it's meant for your edges. That's why it's so stiff.
Oh. Never actually used this product before.
You're putting way too much on.
We should have get a 2 centimeter brush. This one too rough. And then for the final piece. Y'all ready for this? Shanika, look man, turn sideways. You shot. No, Shanika, be honest. It actually shot. That one be down the front, make it shell. Tell me the truth. Just tell me, you don't like it for real?
I'll wait till you're finished and I'll look at it properly.
I say I can do one. I'm gonna try and do one dumpling now. Sorry. I'm gonna finish it off with like a dumpling kind of thing. I know how to do dumplings. I always see the girl in high school there. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to put her here in one, but I'm going to do it very tight. So you hold it here, twist, pull, and I'm gonna do it one more time. Alright, get all the hair through, let it relax a bit. Shen?
Yeah?
Bet you no one wants me to go this hard.
Yeah, I couldn't imagine it.
This one's a condescending, yo. It won't work if you don't comb it up. I mean, I could actually leave it like this, but I'm more inclined to do the dumpling kind of thing that I see the girls do. So I'm saying I use this accessory thing, right? Because this is gonna form like the, let me call it the base of the dumpling. I hope you guys are taking note. I'm gonna proceed to almost like I find the middle or the center, right? You see, center. So for y'all Caribbean people, you know what I'm saying? Yard man with no dumpling, you know what I'm saying? You can recognize this as like a middle part of the dumpling. You know what I mean? And what I'm gonna do is I never say girl them do it. Oh crap. This is how they do it?
You're the stylist.
Wait. You see, I haven't done this in a very long time. You finish up with your Wetline Extreme Gel. If you notice, it says professional here. So, you know, it's not like a dibby kind of persons use this gel. Yes. Right?
What does that do?
What? No. What does, like, what I'm explaining is if you have decent shampoo and conditioner, you can always wash it out. You understand? You don't compromise the style because you don't want to use, oh, I don't want to use too much product because my hair is too. A lot of clients come in and they say that to me, oh, don't use a lot of products because, you know, when I'm washing my hair it's difficult, blah blah. I'm like, yo fam, what do you use to wash your hair? You know what I'm saying? Is that them I use soap powder or cake soap or something? If you have the right material, right shampoo, the right whatever, it shouldn't be an issue. Get what I'm saying?
Okay, you finished?
Hold up, my son down. We actually go on the road with this, you know. Shen, no, Shenika.
On the road.
Don't make me go through all of this and you don't use it. It's not bad.
Baby.
No.
I said to you if I feel like.
No, Shenika.
No, Dean.
No, baby. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's.
No, Shenika, don't do that. No, honest to God, please. Please, please.
For if we're gonna go on a walk or on a neighborhood store.
No, we could go on my
You must be sick in your head. You must be sick in your head.
Nobody now gonna look for you funny.
I am not going to go in the store like this.
First world, people know your business and nobody.
I business.
Actually, yo, I'm actually proud of myself because I never planned this out. It's just that when you're a professional. No, I honestly never planned this. I thought me things I'm gonna end up just thing there. Twist everything. Well, look there. Look there. Blows. Turn here this way. And guys, so this is my dumpling. Yo, turn on your back. Okay, dumpling hot. This is my dumpling. Some of you might say the parts are not 100% straight. They weren't meant to be. I did them, the word is jagged. You understand? I did jagged parts. Alright, so it's when you kind of, you know, zigzag. It's something that I picked up over in Italy.
Are you finished?
Hold up. Yeah, I'm finished. Hold up. Yeah, so this is the back.
Alright, let me look at it. Let me look at it and I'll do it. Okay. So.
No, be honest, Shamika. Come here. Come back in at the light.
I look crazy.
You don't. Hold up. Hold your head like this.
Pause.
No, keep
leave me. It's my turn.
Not show you the angle you have to look at your head in.
No, there's no angle to look at your head. There's no angle.
It's not bad, yo.
Okay, his puff, he can get a little.
No. 10 out of 10 for that.
Okay, a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for the dumpling.
For the rest of the hairstyle, it's a 2 out of 10. I don't know what the hell this is. I don't know what's going on right here.
This is supposed to be a bang. It's supposed to be there over your eyes like that.
And I don't understand why there's a plait at the back.
It's just
no.
Don't take it out of your face. That's what I'm saying.
Leave me. I don't want it in my face.
You're wearing it wrong.
I can't. It's my hair. You can't tell me I'm wearing my hair wrong. Had he maybe made this into a bun, it would have been okay. But this, I don't know what's going on here. This is not. He should have just done this, you know? And I could give him a little pass. Okay, but overall, as he had did the style,
chill.
Out of 10, a 5. Or a 4. Oh, where am I gonna let this? Where am I gonna let this?
It's like a mountain kind of thing.
I understand what you're trying to do, but you failed.
Yo, you see, that's why you don't know black people here for free. You see me? Virgin.
Okay, so this is Odine styling my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of Odine styling my hair. We know he ain't no professional, but he can, you know.
It actually look good.
He can do a puff. I'm not gonna roll like this, but he tried. He definitely tried. All right, I will see you guys on the next one.